Yo, what's up, YouTube? If you're watching this, I hope you're having a great day filled with positivity. We got another unboxing today. I hit exclusive access on sneakers. Let's just get right into it. We got the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. I've seen that some sites are even calling these remastered. I'm a big fan of green shoes, so these were a must, but these green laces are gonna have to go. Let me pull out the shoes real quick. All right, here they are. Like I said, I'm not too much of a fan of the green laces, but they did come with some extra black laces, which I will be throwing on. And I noticed a lot of the new Jordan 1s are just coming with the laces in the box now, instead of the lace bag attached. Show you guys some good detail shots of it. The insole looks like it's just a black insole with the green Nike Air. If you know me in real life, you know why I'm a big fan of these. Let me pull out some other green shoes that I got to show comparisons. So here they are with a few of my other green ones. These are the Gorge Greens that just came out not too long ago. Really like these. Here's the Pine Greens. See that quality. But yeah, overall these are pretty dope. Let me go ahead and slap on these black laces. All right, here's how they look with the black laces. Don't mind my lace job, I just laced them up real quick just for the vid. I personally just think the black laces make them pop more than the green. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite green Jordan 1. Doesn't have to be any of these. I think these are definitely up there in my top. I really like these Gorge Green ones. Well, all of these definitely will be on feet soon. Let me know what you guys want to see, whether it's more unboxings, on feet video of these. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.